The power of video, advantages of using video content on your website and social media. In today's digital age, video content is becoming an increasingly important tool for businesses to engage their audience and promote their brand. From website landing pages to social media feeds, video content is everywhere, and for good reason. In this post, we'll explore the advantages of using video content on your website and social media. Increased engagement. Video content is highly engaging and can capture the attention of your audience in a way that text and images simply can't. Videos are more likely to be watched in their entirety than text is to be read from start to finish. By creating engaging and visually appealing videos, you can keep your audience engaged and interested in your brand. Improved search engine optimization, SEO. Search engines like Google and Bing prioritize websites that include video content. By adding video to your website, you can improve your search engine rankings, making it easier for potential customers to find your brand online. Greater brand awareness. Videos are a great way to showcase your brand's personality and style. By creating unique and memorable videos, you can increase brand awareness and encourage your audience to share your content on social media. The more people share your videos, the more people will become aware of your brand. Better understanding of products or services. Videos are an effective way to showcase your products or services in action. By demonstrating how your products work, you can help potential customers understand the value of what you offer. This can be especially beneficial for products or services that are difficult to explain with text or images alone. Increased conversions. Adding video content to your website or social media channels can lead to increased conversions. By showcasing your products or services in action, you can build trust with your audience and encourage them to take action. Video content can help move potential customers further down the sales funnel and ultimately result in more conversions. Incorporating video content into your digital marketing strategy can have a significant impact on your brand's success. From increased engagement to improved SEO and greater brand awareness, the advantages of video content are clear. If you're looking to incorporate video into your marketing strategy, we at Awesome Sawsome Services can help. Contact us today to learn more.